Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will learn how to make Shopify website fit all screens, PCs and mobile phones. Let's get started. First, create a Shopify account, go to the Shopify official website and click on the Start Free Trial button. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Once your Shopify admin page opens, go to the home page and click on the menu item at the top to view your Shopify store. To change your store name, return to the home page, click on the menu icon and select the settings. Under the general section, click on the edit button to update your store name. Save the changes and return to the store page to see your updated store name. Next, copy the store link and paste it into a new tab on your computer or desktop to view your store. To ensure your Shopify site fit all screens, click the Edit Homepage button. In the top corner of your screen, you will find icons to switch between desktop and mobile views. That's how you can ensure your Shopify website looks great on both PCs and phone. Thank you for watching.